together. Ready? Let's go! Clean up, put it all away. Tidy up the room, let's make space to play. The blocks go in the box, the books go on the shelf. Clean up is so fun, we do it by ourselves. Clean up, pick up one by one. Clean up, we're almost done. Put the cards in the bin, put the dolls in their bed. Line up the crayons, put the ball in the shed. Can you find something red? Can you put away your teddy? Let's all help together, are you ready? Clean up, pick up with a smile. Clean up, tidy all the while. I clean up slow, wow! I clean up fast, zoom zoom. I clean up happy, yay yay yay. I clean up every day. Cleaning is caring for the things we love. Put your toys to sleep, give yourself a hug. Say thank you, toys will play again. Now say I did a great job. Clean up, let's all do our part. Clean up, with a happy heart. Where's your puzzle? Pick it up and put it in the box. Where's your book? Close it and place it on the shelf. Great job, helpers. Clean up, now we're all done. Clean up, let's go have some fun. Yay! You did it! Now your room is clean, just like magic. See you next time. Clean up cool.